Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser control board kit in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a putty knife, flathead screwdriver, 4-inch nut driver, and a heat gun. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser control board kit. The dispenser control board kit allows to choose the correct function of the dispenser and also to set the temperature. If one or more keys at the dispenser touchpad are not operative, the dispenser control board kit should be replaced. We need to peel off the old touchpad. First, using the heat gun, heat the touchpad to break loose the glue. Using the putty knife, start peeling from one of the corners. Continue to peel until the entire touchpad is off. Using both hands, pull out the drip tray. Using the 4-inch nut driver, take out the 2 screws at the bottom of the dispenser cover. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam on the side and pry off the cover and lift it away. Disconnect the wire plugs from the dispenser control board and remove the dispenser cover assembly. Bring it to the workable place. Using the flathead screwdriver, push the tab and disconnect the flex ribbon from the control board. Remove the old touchpad. Using the flathead screwdriver, push the locking tabs and remove the old dispenser board. This is the old dispenser control board kit next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new dispenser control board and push down to lock it in. Peel off the protective cover from the back of the new touchpad. Insert the flex ribbon connector into the cutout. Carefully install the new touchpad on the dispenser cover. Plug in the flex ribbon connector. Connect all wire plugs to the new dispenser control board. Install the dispenser cover assembly on the door. Slide it down just a smidgen and press it in to lock. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, secure it with the 2 screws. Install the drip tray and push it down. Peel off the protective film. We're done. Plug the refrigerator in and check all the buttons on the pad. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.